It's Jenny's Arena and you're welcome once again. Today we're going to learn something, and it's a nose mask. Guys, coronavirus is becoming unbecoming and you can't afford to be a victim. So I want to teach you how to do it at home. Let's get started. You get your ruler, your scissors, and your marker, and your t-shirt. So we start by cutting the far end of the t-shirt. The place is well organized and easy to something. So by the end of the video, you get to see what we use it for. You cut it into the down. Now you measure 8 by 8 inches. You use your ruler and tape measure if you have any. So you use a marker, anything to mark the ends to help you cut it very well. Yeah. Because we are not like the first or the take off. So we have to be careful with that one. If you're at home, you don't have a machine, you fold it like this and you cut it. If you have one, two, you hold it up, cut. Cut all the sides. We know that like the tailors and the teachers work. So you put it like that and cut it. The edges may not be smooth, but we still get a very good outcome. You do the same thing here. And you get your finished size. You can see, then you fold it like this. Fold it, and you begin to cut the ends a bit like that. In intervals, you cut a tiny part of it. Yes. Be careful not to cut the whole ends that you have folded. Do the same thing to the other side, and you have this. You see the hole in them. Now the ends that we first cut. This is what I told you about. So you're going to divide it into two and use it. So you put the rope in the hole you created. So that's the finished side. They do the same thing to the other side. Now you open it up to get the neat side, and you have this. Yes, this is the final width. Now you're going to put it on, tie it to your neck. I prefer this so much, it's very comfortable than tying it to your ears. Yeah. You arrange the part, take a mirror and you do that. I think I still got it right here. Now, if you want to take water, anything, you do that and you're good to go. You fix it back. Fix it. My mirror, sorry. Now, if you still want to tie your ears, then you tie it like this. You tighten it down like this. That's why it's not tightened this. So you just tighten it and cut it up, and you put it to your ears.
and arrange the patterns. Arrange, yeah, then you're good to go. Yeah.
That brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I bring you more. See you in my next video. Bye bye.